Alright guys, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be talking about Circuit Demon Hex Halos. Let's go ahead and unbox these suckers for you, see what's inside of the package and what you get in it. Just give me a moment while I get my nails to rip up the plastic. Or not. So right out of the box, it's properly packaged. It's very clean. It has a satin black finish with a lime green logo for Circuit Demon. These are made by Profile Performance. So let's see what they look like when we open them. Very nice. All right, we got the Hex Halo here, along with its driver. That says Circuit Demon. Very nice. Look at that, man. They've changed the quality on these significantly. Tells you what it's for. That way you don't make a mistake plugging this in case you have more than one multicolor component on your vehicle. And then it tells you which one's the input and which one's the output, which is also very nice because people wouldn't know the difference. That way you don't mess up plugging them in. But all right, that's good quality. I mean, look at that. It's metal. Comes with its own brackets for you to mount it onto your vehicle. All right, and you got a couple of wires here. So let's see. So this is the output. So this goes to the halo. So that's white and white. And this is the ground and the turn signal. And then this goes to the controller, I believe. Yes, the input to the controller. All right, let's take a look at the halo now. Since we only need to look at one of these, let's go ahead and clean this up. All right. So we got one. So this is the Hex Halo that everybody goes crazy over, that everybody wants. Let's see what's so unique about it and what's so crazy about it, what the rave's about. All right, immediately you can see that it's cut right here, which is cool. You can mount it any way you want, honestly. It's based on how it's designed. You can mount it like this, like that, like this, even like this. Yeah, there's multiple ways you can mount this ring, halo ring or hex ring. And let's take a look at the back. It's covered in black, tells you who the manufacturer is, the amount of LEDs, the type of LEDs. Okay. Teflon sleeve. Oh, and you gotta love this. I mean, you don't see that often. So this actually comes with its own wire grommet. That way you can drill a hole to the back of the dust cap and have this go through and then prevent this from having any water going in. That's neat. I haven't seen that before. So let's take a look at the ring since you don't see any individual LEDs at all. Looks like it's gel coated. Look at that. Not messy at all. Has a very rubbery texture. Very clean. You know what we need to do? We need to turn these on. Give me a second. Let me do some magic. All right, so I got a little fancy here. I set up a Bluetooth controller. That way you can see the multiple colors it can be and get an idea of what it can do. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So right now we have the color white. It's a very nice color white. Maybe on the camera it looks a little bit of purple, which is fine. We're gonna go ahead and now change it to red, green, blue, and back to white. Gonna move the color wheel, show you the colors that it can be. And there are different modes you can play with too. And this is just to show you the multiple colors that it can do. And then what we can also do, I'm gonna put it back to white. It also works as a turn signal. So we're gonna go ahead and activate the turn signal. And then it goes back to white. Or for example, if you have it on green, with the turn signal, it will still blink and it'll go back to green. Pretty neat. Overall, high performance kit, extremely bright. Again, you can position it any way you want. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'll do one better for you. Let's get creative. Let's see what we can mount this onto. Let me go grab a headlight real quick. All right, cool. So we were using a 6th gen Camaro headlight. Let's go ahead and see what the halo looks like. Not bad. So you can put this on anything. It looks kind of funky, but If anything, it looks badass. Let's see if we can make this sucker work too. Now, we'll do that on a different video. But right now, I'm just showing you what it can look like if we were to use a 6th gen Camaro headlight. Overall, impressive, badass kit. Definitely makes your car unique, one of a kind. Be sure to use our promo code ERN10 to get a 10% discount off the product or any build you want to get done by Circuit Demon. So check them out. Definitely amazing work that they produce, amazing quality. Give them a follow. Again, thank you again, Circuit Demon, for sending us this kit to demo. I want to give a huge shout out to Jeff Foster over at Circuit Demon for sending us over his Hex Halo Kit for us to review. I am going to go ahead and give this kit away to one lucky follower. So please be sure to follow me on YouTube and on Instagram at Elite Retrofitting Network, and I'll end up picking the winner next week. So make sure you give us a follow and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, out.